Hey there, freelancers, and welcome to Colette Berry channel, where we dive deep into the world of freelancing. I'm Colette Berry, and today we are going to unravel the secrets behind winning Upwork proposals. If you're struggling to land jobs on Upwork, then stay tuned because I've got the top 5 Upwork proposal tips that have helped me earn over $800,000 on Upwork. But before we dive in, make sure you hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so you will never miss out on valuable freelancing insights. And guess what? Stick around until the end because I've got a special freebie for you. My Upwork proposal templates to help you kickstart your freelancing journey. Check the link in the description below and grab your free guide. Now let's jump into the tips. Tip number 1, crush the introduction. First things first, the introduction. Did you know the first few sentences of your Upwork proposal can make or break your chances of landing a job? I've been there and I've learned what works. Let me share my experience and show you the examples of winning introductions. Stay tuned. Tip 2, provide examples of your work. Moving on to the tip number 2 is showcase examples of your work. Clients want to see what you can do. I will guide you on how to effectively display your skills. I'll also share some tips on creating an impressive portfolio. You'll see in my freebie how I am shaping my portfolios and how clients are responding to me. In the next week, I will make a video on how you can create a stunning portfolio. So stay tuned with me. Tip number 3, describe your experience and value. Now, let's talk about the tip number 3 on describing your experience and value that you can offer your clients. It's not just about listening to achievements. It's about showing the client why you are the perfect fit for their project. Tip number 4, add a call to action. You need to guide the client on the next step. I will show you how to create a compelling call to action that will encourage the client to take action, ensuring you will stand out among your competition. Please check out my video above, which is all about the call to action. And finally, tip number 5, eliminate grammatical errors. This may seem basic, but trust me, it's crucial. I'll share some tools and techniques to ensure your proposals are error-free, boosting your credibility and making a positive impression on the clients. There you have it, the top 5 Upwork proposal tips that have helped me succeed as a freelancer. Remember, freelancing is about standing out, continuously improving, and adapting to win those dream projects. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more freelancing insights. And don't miss out on your free Upwork proposal templates. Check the link in the description below. Until next time, happy freelancing and be freelantastic.